All right, guys, Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. We're doing an air duct job today. Last week we were here and we did their dryer vent. It was actually 2 weeks ago we did a dryer vent, and then we got on the schedule to do their duct cleaning. That's what we're doing. So we already did the upstairs. Now we're doing the main level. So we already got Noam on the vacuum, backing up the supplies. And then we're gonna go downstairs and do their main trunk lines. But yeah, guys, we're doing good. And every time you use our service, we do give you one of our brochures, as you can see here. Let's check it out, guys. So then we have everything that we offer. And then this is our dryer vent price and why you should get your air ducts cleaned. Pretty nice, huh? All right, guys, stay tuned for some results. All right, guys, this is the wall cavity. Check it out. So yeah, we're gonna get that cleaned up. Alright, guys, this is the main trunk line. As you can see, definitely is dirty and needs our attention. Stay tuned for some results. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys, all is well. Just got done cleaning the main trunk lines. You can see all that beautiful stainless steel. We love it. And now they can breathe better and peace of mind. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we just got done finishing up the access panels, sealing those off, and all is good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.